Finley, there it is!
Where?
I can't see it. Oh, wait, there it is.
Amazing, isn't it?
It's incredible.
I've never seen anything like it. Look at it, May. It's even bigger than the stories. Come on, let's get closer. Look at this part. I think I see something in there. It's glowing. The ice is melting. It's beautiful. The flowers are here. Welcome.
The warmth returns, a new beginning.
Aren't these little trumpets just delightful? Wow, amazing. Truly magnificent. Look at them. They are like little suns, bursting with hope. I can do this. I can do this.
The ice gives way to the flowers.
I think that did it. Hello, Spring. Is your breath enough, Finley? It has to be, May. Come on, Ice. It's time for you to go. Wait, stay still. I just need to. Oh, come on. Why won't it melt? I just need a little more. You're not alone, Finley. Look at all this beauty. Thank you, Fairy May. I see it. Look at this. Can you believe how beautiful it is? It's even better than they described. I need your help. The ice is melting too fast. Look, it's taking the flowers. Please, you have to help us. We're running out of time. I don't understand. What are we gonna do? I'll cover the ice. You guide the warmth. Oh, I get it now. Let's do it. Hello. It's me. Can you hear me? Come on. Join us. It's beautiful.
Wake up! Spring is here! Look! The daffodils are blooming!
Look, everyone! The thaw is here! Spring is coming! Come and see the beauty! Spring! Wow, that was amazing! I know, right? The valley makes it sound like a giant's talking. Look! The ice is breaking! It's so beautiful! Everything is waking up!
The time has come to break this curse. The flowers will bloom again.
I never imagined anything like this. It's beautiful!
Oh, it's starting. Look at them grow. So beautiful.
Wow! This is incredible! Look at them all! Woo! Oh, wow! Oh. This is incredible! Look at it all! Wow! What's happening? Help! Help! No! It's too late! It's all gone! No! It can't be! Oh my! Whoa! Whoa, wait! No, no! Hang on! Careful! Oh, okay. Wow, that was close. I must see what is down there. No, look! It's too fast! We have to go! It's coming right for us! Look, Fairy May! It's happening! Oh, Finley! It's even more beautiful than we imagined!